So this slider has been created by the graphic designer with website in mind, which works majority of the time on the laptops and tablets. So what it means is this graphics, which is on the slider, which you can see is changing here, has been created and it displays nicely on a desktop website. But when you actually open the website on a mobile device, what is going to happen is just going to shrink. So I've got the same website open here, and you can see the same slider. It's just fitted to the smaller screen size banners, so you can see that everything is smaller. And obviously, because the original banner is rectangle, is stretched to the side and it's wider than a lot wider than higher, so it's not very squarey, if I can call it that way. That's why it basically it looks very small on a mobile website. So this is a website. It looks like it's emulating the iPhone 14 Pro. So you can see those categories. Categories banners. They are square, which is why they look nice on a mobile page. So if you now look your home page, this is your slider. So this slider is not as wide as the other one. So when we look at the mobile website for this particular and we analyze this banner, you can see it's a lot bigger. So if you comparing with this one, you can see this one is the height is smaller, whereas this one it's bigger because this image is more square than rectangle, if you like. So it's not as wide as this slider is not as wide as on a Zoom website. So the other thing to bear in mind when creating this kind of banners is that the image on this banner is actually taking about, what is it, 35% maybe, or 40% of the actual image, and the rest is the empty space. So this gray area, this is empty space. There's not actually text behind it. This text is on the top of this banner. So the banner itself, you can see when I start sliding, you can see the text. Obviously we can put on a banner separately. So if you want to have the same effect, you'd have to create a banner with a lot of empty space, and on the top of that we would add the required text. So that way, when you look on a mobile version of the website, you can see majority of the image, because you can't see the full image. See, the full armchair is not visible on this banner here, but you can see majority of it, and obviously there's a text. You see this text is shifted now and it's partially on the top of the armchair, whereas if you look on a desktop website, you can see this text is on the left hand side. So there are not two different banners, there's just a one banner which get resized and the text gets shifted. So that's how you can prepare your graphics if you want to use this kind of banners and this kind of effect. But if you say 95% of your customers are going to be using the website on actual desktop, then probably doesn't matter. And the banner which you provided me, which is similar to the Zoom website, it will work. But just bear in mind that it's gonna look very similar like here on this mobile website. I hope that makes sense. But if it doesn't, give me a call or text me or email me.